Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you our snow Fender bag. We also make snow bushwhacker handguards, snow handlebar bags. This bike also has our Diablo tank bag, Mojave saddle bag, Rebel stove tunnel bag with a gas bag underneath. So all the supplies you need for an all day long ride for you and your friends that forget supplies. So I'm showing you our Fender bag. It's a fully waterproof 3.5 liter bag. To get inside, you want to clip the side buckles. Bam, bam, bam. As you can see, it's expandable, shrinkable, plenty enough for tubes, tools, beacons, extra gloves, goggles, all that kind of stuff. So to get 100% waterproof, you go 1, 2, 3 full rolls, and it can be submerged in water or snow and keep everything dry. Clip the sides, and then when you set it on your bike, originally, your first time, what you're going to do is you're going to adjust this. So if you, as you can see, I can get extra length out of that. I'm going to shrink this up a little bit over here, shrink the strap so it's a tighter fit on the fender. You lock it in. So you do that for this one, and you do it for this one, and you take it onto your fender, and you always want to go over the bag. You do not want to support the weight that way. Super simple. Start one at a time, and then pull this thing tight. Okay, slide forward. So that's the first set of straps, the second set of straps. So as you can see, it is super secure. This is a KTM. It fits on a variety of Japanese and European bikes, but it's secure, carries all your tools, and you are good to go with this setup.